everybody, it is Ingrid from Ready Set Practice. Thank you for joining us. Look who I found. I found Vi the fiddler.
Hi everybody. Ah!
So we're here in Orlando, Florida, and we are at the American String Teachers Conference. It's a good time, huh?
It is a great time.
A really great time. A really good time. And I was hoping that since I have you here, you would teach us a fiddle tune. I know you teach.
I would be happy to.
Yeah, I know you teach a lot on YouTube. You have Vi the fiddler.
Yeah,
right?
so Vi the fiddler is my performing channel.
Oh, okay. You have a teaching channel?
Yeah, I have a teaching channel. It's My Talent Forge. So
okay.
MyTalenTforge.
Okay, cool. I'll put a link down below. So if I wanted to learn like the Orange Blossom Special.
Yeah, or Devil Went Down
to Georgia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, let's visit that later. Okay. All right. So can you teach us kind of a beginning fiddle tune?
Yeah. How about Soldier's Joy? We'll do a beginning version of Soldier's Joy.
Perfect.
And on my Talent Forge website, I have like intermediate and advanced versions of the same song.
Okay. Perfect. So we'll do the beginner version here.
Beginner version here.
Perfect. All right. Let's go.
All right. So we're going to start out, it's in the key of D. I'll play it for you once up to speed, just so you can get it in your head, and then we'll break it down.
Okay, cool. My students are going to love
You got to throw on the fiddle ending.
Yeah, the fiddle ending.
So you play it as many times as you want, and then you add the shaving a haircut at the end.
Okay, cool. We know that, right? We know that one.
All right.
Okay.
That's the most important thing about fiddling, is shaving a haircut.
Yeah.
Not really, but it is important.
But it's important.
You got to end your song.
Yeah. We all know that. Okay.
All right, so we'll start it out. Starts out on a 2 F sharp on the D string.
Okay.
And we do. So that's our first phrase.
Okay.
These first two notes are pickup notes. 2, 3. O is our downbeat.
Okay.
O, 2, O, 2, O, 3, 3.
Great. Okay.
All right,
good.
let's
Should we
play
try
that
it together? Okay.
2, 3, O, 2, O, 2, O, 3, 3. Now the second phrase is like the first, but it has a different ending.
Okay.
So we're going to go 1, O, 2, O, 2, 3, 1, 1.
Okay.
So it's like the same part, except it's outlining a chord change to an A chord.
Okay.
So it ends on
an E.
An E note instead of a D note.
Okay, and I noticed there's a pickup to that one, so
Yeah.
we should start up bow.
So start up bow on the pickup. 1, O, 2, O, 2, 3, 1, 1.
Cool. All right, we got that so far.
All right,
Good.
now the third phrase is exactly like the first phrase, exactly note for note. But we're going to do an up bow slur on the 2, 3. 2, 3.
Okay.
O, 2, O, 2, O, 3, 3.
Good. Kind of going back and forth between the A and the D string.
Yeah. So one of the tricks to this is if you keep your 2 down, and your 2 is not touching the A string.
Tunnel fingers. Good.
You can be a lot slower. You can be lazier with your 2.
Yeah.
You don't have to get it out of the way.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to play the third phrase now. The third phrase is exactly the same as the first, but we just ended on a down bow, ended the second phrase. So we're going to do the 2, 3 on an up bow slur instead of down up.
Okay.
So. since we know the first three parts, let's put the first three parts together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. To the fourth part, and the fourth part is just an ending, so it goes 0 1 1 0 0 3 3 3.
Okay.
So it's an up bow because it's a pickup note again.
Okay, good.
So it goes 0 1 1 0 0 3 3 3. Now the form of this song is A B B. So 2A part, 2B part, and so that was the A part we just learned.
Okay.
So why don't we play the A part and then repeat the A part? So we're halfway through the song.
Okay. So we're gonna do everything we've learned so far.
Everything we've learned so far, and then repeat it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We're going to slur again. Slur. All right.
Okay. I remembered it this time.
Yeah, you nailed it. All right, we're on to the B part. So the B part, we start with a little pickup, an open E note pickup, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1. Now, this is the cool thing, is the pattern repeats just down a step. 0, 1, 2, 0.
Okay,
Then
cool. I noticed you're using
up.
the low 2 here. So second finger.
We're in the key of D, which means G is a natural, not a sharp. So 2 on the E string is a low 2 instead of a high 2.
So 2 and first finger, 1,
2,
first finger and second finger are touching each other.
Two,
right next
1
to
and
each
2
other.
are right next to each other, and there's a space between 2 and 3.
Good, we know
So,
that.
1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0.
Ah, so a little triad there.
Yep.
Okay.
It's a little
Oh,
A arpeggio.
A arpeggio. Okay, yeah.
So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 1. Down a step. 0, 1, 2, 0. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 1. 0, 2, 0, 0.
Okay, cool.
All right, so
that's the B part?
That's the first half of the B part.
Okay.
So what's cool about that, you can hear like the pattern that we had of the A part, where your first section, second section's like a variation of the first section. Then the third section's the same as the first section. We just did that, and then the fourth section is an ending.
Oh, cool. There's a big group of students coming by now.
All right.
It's so cool to see all these orchestra musicians here.
So many students. The students is awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, really seeing all these kids learning and, getting to connect with a community of string teachers.
I was just going to say that the community here is amazing.
Yeah.
Anyway, we were on
Super
the B
fun.
part. We were on the B part. There's
so
just
that's
a lot
the
of noise
first half of the B part.
Okay.
The second half of the B part pretty much repeats the first half, but it's got a different ending.
Okay.
So the second half starts with 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, and then we have the ending.
Okay.
So we get that first half is the same, and the second half goes 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 3, 3.
Okay, that's like a standard
Yeah,
ending,
yeah,
really
totally
easy to remember.
standard ending.
Okay, so here's the second half of the B part.
Second half of
Okay.
the B part. 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 1, oh, 3, 3, 3.
I have a terrible memory when it comes to stuff like this.
All right, so let's try the B part all together.
All together, okay.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 2, oh, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 1, oh, oh, 3, 3, 3. Now,
Nice.
the B part repeats too, so we
Twice?
should play it one more time.
Okay.
All right, so this is the second time through the B part. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 2, oh, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, oh, 1, 2, oh, 1, 1, oh, 3, 3, 3. And then we'll retake for another down bow for the ending.
Oh, okay.
3, oh, 1, oh, 2, 3. All right, so let's play it again at all the way through at a slow pace,
Okay.
so that they have
Okay.
something to play along with while they're learning this.
Yeah, excellent. I really appreciate how you're teaching this. Do you guys see how I'm kind of forgetting it, and he's showing me just what to play, just like I do for you guys, and I really appreciate that.
Absolutely,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
All right.
All right, so we're going to play Soldier's Joy from the beginning at kind of a slow to medium pace.
Okay, I'll follow you.
All right, you follow me. 1, 2, 3. Slur. B part.
Little rhythm there.
Repeat the B part. Ending. And
Yeah. Okay.
that's Soldier's Joy for you all. I hope
Thank
you've
you.
enjoyed it, and I hope you've learned something.
Yeah, I think we have. I have. I learned
Do
a
you
new
want to
version.
hear how you can spice it up?
Yes.
All right,
Okay,
so-
this is going to be cool.
What you're going to hear here is this is Soldier's Joy after you add all the fancy stuff to it.
Okay.
So this is like an advanced version of
Okay.
Soldier's Joy. So learn the basic melody first, and then you can add a little bit at a time, which I have lessons on this
Yeah.
as well.
So if we wanted this advanced version, we could find it on your
mytalentforge.com.
mytalentforge.com.
Yeah.
Okay, and that link is down below. All right. Wow, thank you so much. This
You're
has been
welcome.
really fun
It's been a
seeing
pleasure.
you here.
Thank you, Ingrid.
And thank you for coming on Ready, Set, Practice.
My pleasure.
Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you for coming and hanging out with us.
Yes, and I hope you practice happy, practice every day, and I will see you here.
Practice fun.
Practice fun, practice happy. Is that what you say, practice
Yeah.
fun? I always say practice happy.
Hey, you
See?
know, it's all good.
My people are here.
That's right.
All right, bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Yeah.